Hi guys, it gives me immense pleasure today introduce to you guys Dr. Dhaval Soni. He's from Georgia, Tbilisi, and he's got an astounded 226 marks in the current FMG exam. So heartiest congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you so much, sir.
Please share your journey with PrepLadder and how did you prepare with PrepLadder for the current exam?
Okay, sir. So my name is Dr. Dhaval, and I did my MBBS from the David Tuliani Medical University, Tbilisi, Georgia. So basically, I used PrepLadder for my FMG preparation, and this was my entire source which I used for FMGE. And actually, I get to know PrepLadder from my seniors who did pass with great scores, and one of my seniors scored 246 in the previous FMG exam. So I was inspired to take PrepLadder from her, and I started my preparation after my final year exams, which was over in February 2023. So I had about 4 or 5 months left for the exam. So I chose PrepLadder for it, and initially I thought to do main videos for the important subjects, but I thought I will not have time for the revision, so I started with the rapid revision videos because like in my university we have studied from our books and all, so it was good if you I started from the rapid revision. Then I did like about 2 times. Then I also used to do PrepLadder Q banks and past year questions from the app, which really helped me to achieve this score.
Awesome. So, Doc, can you just share like the current exam that was conducted and the level of the questions that are present in PrepLadder QBank and the GTs? How would you rate them with respect to the actual exam? Are they the same level? Are they more difficult? Are they lesser? How did they help you in preparing for the exam?
So absolutely, PrepLadder questions are almost matching with the recent exam pattern. Even some GTI gave in those questions were more tougher than the real exam. So I would say it will help so much for the FMG.
Okay. And how much time did it take you to finish rapid revision?
So it took me about 2 to 3 months.
Okay, so it is like one cycle of 2 to 3 months, like all 19 subjects, or it's like multiple revisions you're saying?
With multiple revisions, 2 times.
Okay, so like in one revision, approximately like to your junior, what would be your advice?
You should do at least 2 times. One time is not at all good idea. You will forget everything. So at least 2 times is needed. And if you do 3 times, that is much more better. And along with that, you have to do practice questions every day, or else you will not able to put concepts in the question.
Okay, so which were your subjects where you found that in the actual exam that you were feeling nervous about answering those questions? Any subjects where you were nervous and any subjects where you were confident, super confident?
So super confident was medicine, of course, because of you. And the difficult questions for me in this exam specifically was PSM. But due to Neha Taneja ma'am, it was really helpful. I was able to answer most of the questions correctly. And also some subjects which we didn't study in our university properly, like it was very new for us, like this forensic medicine, PSM, ophthalmology. Those subjects I had to prepare for multiple times, and which were difficult for me in exam.
Okay. For medicine, how many days did you dedicate for per se? I would say single read. First read, how much duration?
Sir, 5 to 6 days, I would say.
Okay. Okay.
Rapid
And,
revision.
okay. And this was followed by doing QBank also, or like you did a second revision after that?
No, I was doing questions along with the previous year questions. I was doing along with the rapid revision, and of same topics what I have read in the.
Okay. So, Doc, you've got an excellent rank and heartiest congratulations from the PrepLadder team for an excellent score. And I think if you have any dedications to make, the stage is all yours.
So I would dedicate this score to my parents and their hard work, which really paid off today. And of course, PrepLadder app. Without them, I don't think it was achievable at all. And of course, my favorite faculty is you, and also other teachers like Priti Sharma ma'am, Neha ma'am, and all other faculty members are great, really great. And I would recommend everyone to use PrepLadder. And it is one of the best platform I have found for my preparation.
Well, congratulations, Doctor. Heartiest congratulations for a great career ahead.
Thank you so much, sir.